So my name is Dr. Phil Jones. I'm a consultant physician at Bronglais Hospital in Aberystwyth. I'm also the hospital director for Bronglais Hospital, and I've worked here now for 24 years. And I've built a very successful career within the community here, and also had roles across the health board and across Wales in general. Bronglais Hospital is the smallest district general hospital in the United Kingdom. So our challenges are always around scale and being at the small end of the scale rather than being at the large end of the scale. It forces us to think innovatively about how we provide services. It forces us to maintain a generality of clinical skills as well that you might not see in larger hospitals where people are more highly specialised. And for many of us that becomes a very attractive and very rewarding job to retain that degree of generalism. Most of my colleagues have worked here for many decades. We've built up successful careers here, and with the close proximity of the university in Aberystwyth, which is one of 4 university towns in Wales, there are great opportunities to participate in research and to extend one's clinical practice into all sorts of non-clinical areas. Research I've mentioned, education for example, and clinical management. I hold a national role in Wales as the stroke clinical lead in Wales. So there are great opportunities, I think, for the right motivated clinicians. Aberystwyth is one of those towns that everybody has heard of and a great many people know about. It's a town that I think punches above its weight and is in its own way an iconic town, both in Wales and in the United Kingdom. There's an awful lot going on in Aberystwyth, mainly through the university and the arts centre and the cultural aspects of that, wining and dining, and of course the locality. Aberystwyth is on the Welsh coastal path overlooking Cardigan Bay, and you couldn't be in a nicer place. And from my area of work I can look out at sunset and see the starlings flying across the pier, and where else would you be?